Oh!
Good adjustment, huh?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Good. Ooh, cool.
Whoa!
Holy crap.
I felt that one.
Alright, we're out here shooting Tannerite targets. We're shooting half-pound and 1-pound targets, and then the final target's 2 pounds. Go ahead and send it. Holy crap.
That was a pound.
That was 1 pound.
That was awesome.
Wow, I center blocked it. Yeah, there's still shit falling at the sky. Nice.
I like fireworks.
Yeah. Take the one out behind it. Go ahead. Nice. Look at the trees. Holy crap. All right, take the one to the right.
Whoa!
Next target.
So close.
I doubt it.
I see the white cat.
Yeah, I can see the white cap.
Holy.
Alright, go ahead.
Fucking log's gone.
Cool.